Guys, today we are visiting Legendia.
Yeah.
We are gonna ride the awesome Lech coaster, Vekoma roller coaster that they have in this park. They have 3 roller coasters, 4. One is standing but not operating, and then there's 3 more. Lech coaster is the one we are excited for. The other 2 are like, yeah, we'll see.
It counts.
Yeah, it counts, exactly. So that's what we are gonna do today. This is Legendia. Here we go, guys. Front row of Lech coaster. It's gonna be so much fun. Let's see if we can do that.
Nice to be front row.
Here we go, guys. I'm not sure if I prefer front or back.
I don't know, the front was very nice, but
It was really
the
good.
back is always great.
That was great.
I have to say it's quite cold today.
Yeah, it's a little bit cold.
Eyes just tearing up.
I have my winter jacket on though, you know.
Yeah.
But that was really fun.
That's great.
Seatbelt. There was Lech coaster. You saw it on ride. Have a look at this coaster off ride. It is looking really cool when it goes over the water here, and also when it's inside the park. You can see every single piece of this roller coaster here. That's the station, by the way. This is a bit exciting. I just heard that they have a rainbow here, and the thing is, I haven't seen it, but I can hear that has to be a rainbow. Has to be. We're gonna look into this one. They don't have that many rides, but it's still pretty park. I like this because look at this. This is the magical mountains, and Sarah is by the way gone. She was riding Lech in that video that I just shot, the off-ride, and now they went to another coaster and I got left behind. I was right. That's a small little rainbow ride over there, and look at this. Dreamflight Airlines come fly with us. That looks huge. So apparently there's a dark ride in this park and we're looking for that one, and apparently also the park opened at 11. The ride's open at 12, so we're just strolling around now, waiting for something to open that we can ride. And the food places aren't open either, so we can't ride anything, or we can't eat anything either. But anyway, Sarah's walking over there. We're gonna get back to you in a little bit. Looks like they need to cut some grass here. Anyway, like this park though. So this is the dark ride of Legendia, which we hope is open now, so you can ride something. It doesn't say anything in this sign, but maybe. Basilisk. How do you say that, Sarah? Basilisk. Basilisk. I have no idea how to pronounce that, but we're gonna ride that one. We hope. So the entrance is through our restaurant. Very strange. I like it. Really cool here.
Christopher,
Yeah.
what do you expect here?
Are you kidding me? So this is the queue, guys. This is the queue, and here's some seating areas for the restaurant. I really don't.
A bouncy castle.
And you have a bouncy castle in the queue. In case if there's a long queue, you can sit down and eat. Place. Are you kidding me? This is fantastic. Like if you get bored in the queue, wow. I love this. Play some Terminator Salvation over there. Now it's gonna be dark though, so maybe we can't see anything. Yeah, some cattle pens here. This is so strange. Here's the rides we're gonna ride. Oh, it's a shooting dark ride. I'm excited. So what was the name of this one? Dream Hunter Society, I think it was. I'm afraid we're gonna do too fast now.
Oh my god.
That was not comfortable.
Nope.
At all. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm sorry. I had to move a little bit.
Let's keep our hands here.
I understand. I think I'm gonna understand why he wanted to hold on. Yeah, exactly. Use your.
Look what they all have hanging there. Old enterprise thing.
That's an old car.
But it's quite good.
That was quite okay. Oh my god. Yes, we are. Oh my god. Oh. Look at that. Rainbow ride. Almost the same as we had at Liseberg. If not the same. I don't know that right now, but anyway. So for the first time today, Sarah is on this camera. Hello. Woo! So she's been on the POVs, you know that. But she hasn't been on this one.
No.
So anyway, we have ridden the two coasters here. Dream Hunters Society and Lech coaster. Lech coaster you have ridden 15 times, me only 14. Because I had to, there was no one riding it. So someone had to ride it so I could film it. So Sarah took the task. Yeah, she volunteered. Nice of her. Anyway, the third coaster in this park is closed. Which means we are losing a cred. Look at this cute ride. It's a little swing. So we are losing a cred. And sucks.
Yeah.
Because it looked kind of fun. It had two loops.
But what would we do?
Yeah. So
What would we do?
what would we do?
What would we
So we have a solution.
Yeah.
We found another park that is 1.5 hours away from here. It's an indoor park. So we're gonna do that one. So it's gonna be one more vlog that we did not have in plans whatsoever, but that's what happens. And they have 3 roller coasters in this park. So yeah, that's gonna be very fun. We're just gonna check out this park a little bit more.
Yeah.
Here we have her. Lech coaster in Legendia.
It feels like we're gonna do a whole vlog about just Lech coaster.
It's only about Lech coaster, but it makes sense because this ride, the theming of this ride is great. This roller coaster is great, and this area of the park is great. But the rest of the park needs a lot of tender love and care. You can see that they do light stuff here. You see, look at all the lights that they put up here. I didn't think of that before. So Sarah is now gonna be the photographer with the phone. As you can see, it's different weather. Yesterday was 24 degrees in t-shirts. Now we have winter jackets, or I have. But anyway, that's how it works this time of year. So now we're gonna film this ride when it comes down. Great looking roller coaster. And through the station, exactly like Phoenix does. So cool. So cool. It's almost empty. like the music here. There's also theming over here. I would say, is this the river rapids goes here, I guess?
I think so.
Yeah, I think so actually. No, there's no water in the river rapids and then no water in the flume. Let's go over and watch the third roller coaster in this park that is closed, which sucks. Look at this old ride. I could imagine this at night with all the lights. Would look really cool. It looks kind of cool now too though. This is like Turbo at this way, it's like a modern version of it. But anyway, this is what we wanted to look at. Diabelska Petla or something like that. Look at this double looping roller coaster with bubbles on. It's closed today because it's in maintenance or repairs, which is a little bit sad. Yeah, you can actually see things hanging up there next to the chain. You see that on the sign? I don't think they're supposed to hang there. It just doesn't feel like it. So next time, Sarah.
Next time.
So there's a lake here in the middle of this park, Legendia here. And I would say the potential in this park is just bonkers. They could put in so much theming, so much nice rides. It just feels that things are missing here. Right?
Yeah.
I really think so.
I thought about the lake in the middle.
Yeah.
It takes up so much room.
Yes, it does.
You're allowed to say that.
Yeah, but you could build roller coasters more over the lake.
Yeah, that would be awesome.
We didn't make it look awesome. By the way, we didn't tell you, there's a standing but not operating roller coaster in this park that is not in repairs. We're gonna look at that one in just a little bit. So really fun, this standing but not operating roller coaster. Scary Toys Factory is the name. It has a little theming and things going on. This was actually at Sommerland Syd, so it has been friends with our old hangover at Liseberg. It's just a kind of fun info, I think. And it only operated here from 2017, I think, so it's not that long. Some more little rides. This one is for kids, looks really cute. And they have a pirate ship. You know I like those. I don't always ride them, but they are very nice. I like them. Little themed area here. Another flat ride over there. It sucks that this coaster is not operating. It should have a new coaster there. But anyway, I like Legendia. Has a lot of potential, but misses a lot of rides and a lot of coasters. So this is the entrance. We're walking out of the park, but that doesn't really matter. You still have to look at it. A little pony ride here. Where did you get lost? Yep, we're going to the... We need to find you a park map.
Fine.
See, now I have the camera in the right height for you. You don't like when I have it
Thank you.
too low.
We have it
I normally have it
my
like
nose.
here. So I have it under me. I don't have it at the eyesight. I'm sorry for that. Maybe we'll change that in the future. Depends. We'll see. I like the entrance. I like these buildings. I like...
Did you want to buy a mug?
Yes, thank you very much. I need to buy a mug. Legendia. We found a store. Let's see if they have any coffee mugs. Woo, woo, woo. I don't know where to go. Okay, guys. Kind of short vlog, I
Yeah.
think. But we had so much fun. You rode Lech coaster 15 times.
Yeah.
I rode it 14. You do like that coaster?
Yeah, I did. It was very, very fun.
Yeah, it's great.
It's quite comfortable.
Yeah.
It's a lot of force and it's great.
Yeah, it's great. Vekoma knows what they're doing. That's a great roller coaster. Love that Legendia. Legendia as a park has a lot to be better on.
Yeah.
There's a lot of things you can wish for this park, but I still liked it. We had a great day.
It was a great
It started
day.
very cold, but now it's...
And now the sun is coming.
Yeah, it's kind of okay. Yeah. So, but anyway, as we told you before, we are now gonna go. We're gonna go to the car. We're gonna drive 1.5 hours to another park.
Yeah.
So don't miss that vlog, or released soon on the channel. Please subscribe
And comment.
and like. Bye, guys.
Bye.